So let's be clear. It is inappropriate for a sitting president to personally involve himself in a criminal investigation tied to an election he lost. It is inappropriate for the president to advocate for actions that are wholly at odds with the Constitution and 2.5 centuries of state and local elections. It is inappropriate for the Director of National Intelligence to insert herself into a domestic law enforcement operation far outside her statutory role. And it is profoundly inappropriate for either of them to blur the lines between intelligence, law enforcement, and partisan politics. But that is exactly what happened last week in Fulton County. Because we know when intelligence personnel are inserted into domestic criminal investigation, especially one launched under such a thin veil of legitimacy, it raises serious legal and constitutional questions and politicizes an institution that must remain neutral and apolitical. The Director of National Intelligence does not conduct criminal investigations. She has no role in executing search warrants, and she does not belong on the scene of a domestic FBI search, particularly one tied to the president's personal grievances carried out under the pretense of normal law enforcement. Now, Director Gabbard argues that I think we're seeing here a president obsessed about the fact that he lost in 2020, he can't get over it. And it appears, and if there is some foreign connection here, the Director of National Intelligence has clearly violated her duty to keep the intelligence committees informed, which she has not. I think this is an effort to try to curry favor back with the president in an area where she's clearly been excluded from most of the recent national events, including Venezuela, Iran, situation with NATO and elsewhere. I have no other logical explanation until and unless she comes forward and testifies.